Hello everyone, this is Khaja Fahad, probably your next go-to-market engineer. So today I will be going through some clear tips and tricks. Here are some of the tricks that I will be going through. So let's get started. We'll create a new table or workbook, whatever suits you. In our scenario, we will be creating a new table. Here are some of the options. We can create a blank table and we can start from a template. This means that if we have a template from an older table, we can use that also. We can find people and companies using Clay database, and we can import records using API key. We'll talk about that some other day. In our scenario, we will going with import from CSV. So we'll import our file. Continue, new blank table. So here we are. We had already done with the first thing. Now we'll go with the filter. For example, if our clients only want to target director or owner from the database they provided, we can always use a filter. Here we have filter on this column title. Contains any of, we'll use the keyword we want. In our I'm using director, owner, or similar keywords what we are targeting. So we are left with 394 rows. So 3 of the rows are filtered because I already got this data using the filter from the service provider. I was just giving you guys a workflow. And now our client only wants to target one job title per company. For example, we have director and owner job titles, and we have 2 people with the same director and owner job titles in our company. So here we will dedupe the company's name column. So we are left with only one person per company because we have already used the director filter. So we are only left with director data in this table. So we can dedupe company name. So as you can see, you guys can see, we have almost 2 people from each company with same job title. So we don't want to use that, and we will delete 18 duplicate rows. So now we're left with 376 rows. We're already done with the second and third thing. So here is now why Clay comes in so handy and why this tool is so powerful. We will add enrichment, and we'll search as we are enriching our table with domains, missing domains, and we will go with domain, and we can see domain waterfall. Why waterfall is necessary? Because it automatically defines the actions. We can even add more actions in it. We can add more service providers in the waterfall. So the first one here is Clearbit. There's a free integration provided by Clay. The second one is Google, and third one is HG Insights. We can also use AI if we want. So we'll provide it with some data. Company. There we are with just company's name. And this part is also very important. We don't want to waste our resources, our credits on the rows we already have data for. And here I will use AI. If website URL is empty, so we only want to find the URL domain of those companies that we don't have. So it's not necessary to run this waterfall on every row. So as you can see, the output is correct. We will save formula, and we save and run it for 10 rows now. So our waterfall is all set up. As you can see, in run conditions are not met, so we're not using any credits for these rows. Yeah, we have found our 4 missing domains. As you can see, these 4 domains were missing, and we can also cross-check it. First step solutions, and here we have first step solution. Now we have to merge these columns, and we'll merge them using another Clay built-in tool. We'll first try domain website URL, and then we'll go with domain, and this is what we have. I will save settings. We'll rename it as final domain so we don't hallucinate. So yeah, we are done with our fourth thing already, and now we are going with enriching email. Now this is very fun part. We can add enrichments, and we have email. So here we have different service providers in Clay. We can add or remove these service providers according to how we want them. For example, if I remove them, we can even add more. For example, if I want to have people data labs, it's a bit expensive also, based on our own choice. The watchful will run according to these. It will first go with the lead magic, and if lead magic failed to fetch our work email, it would then go to find my email, and so on and so forth. So we will provide them with some data full name, and here you can see it's not domain. In that domain column, some domains are missing. We will select final domains, and we will save and run. Okay, one. So as you can see, the waterfall is all set up, and lead magic worked wonderful and found most of our emails. So this is why Clay is so important tool. It comes with hundreds of integration that comes in handy and save us time, and you can automate pretty much everything in this tool. Thank you so much for watching.